What do you think? What do you think? You like it? You scared?
How do you get back on it up there?
You jump off and then you get back on it the same way you did down here. Look, we're going to go over the street down here.
Somebody dropped their sandals.
Yeah.
How do you get in?
You don't.
Go by new pair?
Yeah.
Why do they have a ladder right here?
So if they got to climb up and work on it, they can get to it. You like it? We're going to cross the river here in just a second. Look, we're on top of the street.
People falling on the road before?
No, nobody falls off of it. That's why you're strapped in like this. Where's that guy? He was riding by himself.
Oh, God.
What?
I don't like it.
Why? You're bad as your mama. Look downstream there. Look at the water. It gets funner when you start going up the hill.
Can I hold on somewhere?
Can you hold on? You can hold on here. You can hold on right here. Hold on anywhere you want to.